Let's say that you have a credit card. Let's say the credit card has a $5,000 credit limit. Well, one of the things that you can do, instead of using the debit card to buy groceries, using the debit card to pay for your electric bill, using the debit card to pay for car insurance, cell phone, Netflix, etc., you use your credit card. Now, let's say it's $1,000 a month for your utilities, your cell phone, your gas, your groceries, $1,000. Instead of using a debit card to pay for the $1,000, use the credit card. Now you got 30 days to pay off the credit card without having to pay interest. So now, if you have an extra 30 days, essentially what it allows you to do is borrow from the credit card for 30 days. And during that 30 days, make an extra payment on your car loan of $1,000. Fast forward 30 days. Now it's time that you need to pay off the credit card. Where are you going to get the extra $1,000 that you put towards the car loan? You're going to get it from your paycheck, because now what you're going to do is use your paycheck to pay off the credit card, then use the credit card to pay for the groceries, then use the paycheck to pay off the credit card, use the credit card to pay for next month's groceries. And you keep repeating this process. And as long as you're not spending more than that $1,000 on groceries, within a few months, that credit card should be completely paid off prior to the following month.